Okay students, hope you are all doing well. So today in this video we will discuss about the value added method, which is one of the method that we use for calculating national income. Now in the previous video I have talked about all the methods that we generally use for calculating national income, but in this video we will just focus on value added method and we learn it in detail. So value added method is nothing but the value added by whom? By the enterprises or the firms or the business sector who makes various goods at each and every levels of production, starting from the first stage to the last stage. Okay, so value added of an enterprise is nothing but the value added at each and every levels of production, that starts from the first and end to the last stage. But if I take an example, suppose a pen, right? Now for the pen, first we need the ink, right? Now that ink need to be filled into the refill, right? And that refill then is used in the pen, final pen, and then we use the pen as a final output. So the stages, so three stages are involved. So the when we are converting the ink into the refill into the pen, we are adding some value, we are doing something and it is getting converted into some other output. We are giving our labor and it's getting converted to other output. So the value that is adding into each and every step is how we calculate the sum total of all the value of the value that has been added in each and every step will give me the value of the pen. So this is the concept of the value added method. If I look into the formula of value added method, then it will be value added is equals to how much value of final output minus value of intermediate good. Right? Okay. So now value of output, actually the word value of output means the value market value. Okay, the value of output actually stands for value of output actually stands for market value of goods produced by whom? By the enterprises during a year. By the enterprises during a year. Okay. This I mentioned just to make your concepts more and more clear. Nothing else is not so important. Value of output is what? It is nothing but it stands for the actually market value. Market value of what? Market value of the goods and services that is produced by the enterprises during a year. Now let's take an example, then it will make your concepts more clear. Suppose wheat is produced what rupees 1000. Okay, again then this wheat is converted into flour and flour is produced what rupees suppose 1500. Again this flour is converted into bread and bread is produced what rupees suppose 2500. Okay, so if I want to calculate the value added, so this is the value added method, right? So value added for wheat, it will be how much? It will be rupees 1000 only, because this is the first stage, right? This is the first stage, this is the second stage, this is the third and final stage. So value added for flour, how much? Now for flour, wheat is the intermediate good, right? And what was the formula? Value of the final output. Final output is what here? The flour. And what is the intermediate output that is used for making flour? That is wheat. So this will be what? 1500 minus 1000, which is rupees 500. Again, if we want to calculate the value added for bread, now for bread, what is the intermediate good? Flour is the intermediate good, right? And what is the final good? Obviously the bread only is the final good, right? Then what was the formula? Value of the final output minus value of the intermediate. So our value of the final output is 2500, and for making bread the intermediate good used is what? Flour. So it is how much? 1500. So what will be the difference? 1000, right? So value added first is 1000, then it's 500, then is 100. Now if we add this up, suppose if we add this up, okay, I'm rubbing this first part. Okay, if we add this up, that is 1000 plus 500 plus 1000, that is how much? Rupees 2500, and that is only the value of the final output, which is my bread. Understood? This only the, if we add all the values at each and every step, we will only get the value of the final output, and that is 2500, and here it's also coming 2500. Okay, so this was all for the value added method. I hope you understand. Thank you.